removing the air cleaner, flick that out of there, disconnect the breather from the rocker cover, disconnect the cold air feed, disconnect the warm air feed, disconnect that vacuum pipe there, and then we go underneath and we'll disconnect that pipe there, and that whole piece there is dropped off the bottom by means of a screw inside the air cleaner right there. Now, this is missing an item. There should be a bracket there that would need to be removed, but it is missing on this car. However, I've got a replacement, and that would fit there. So you'd be removing 4 bolts, 10mm heads, so you'd be able to lift it out.